It's hard not to think of push-ups when you think of training with your own body weight, and for good reason. Push-up is one of the most effective body weight exercises. It not only works on your chest muscles, but also your triceps and your deltoids. Plus, it strengthens your entire core. And to a certain extent, it even works your glutes, quads, and small stabilizing muscles in your upper back. An additional benefit is that you can do this exercise anytime, anywhere. You don't need a gym to effectively train your chest muscles. So hi guys, today in Follow the Fives, we'll be talking about different push-up variations to target your upper body. Remember that all exercises come with some risk of injury. Listen to your body and know your limits. If you're injured and push-ups hurt, take a break until you feel better. If you have any concerns, talk to your doctor before adding push-ups to your exercise regime. All these push-up variations can be done in sets of 3, following 8 to 15 reps depending on your strength and stamina, with a rest of 1 minute between each set. Number 1. Clap push-ups. How to do it? Get down on all fours and place your hands on the floor so that they are slightly wider than and in line with your shoulders. Squeeze your glutes and brace your abdomen as if you were about to be punched in the gut. Maintain these contractions for the duration of this exercise. Your body should form a straight line from your ankles to your head. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Pause at the bottom and then explosively push your body away from the ground with enough force to clap your hands once beneath your chest before returning them to the ground. Number 2. X-tap push-ups. How to do it? Get down into the push-up position with arms straight. Lower yourself down and explode up into the air. Tap your chest in the air and quickly place your hands back down to catch yourself as you lower down into the next push-up. Repeat for the desired reps. Number 3. Archer push-ups. How to do it? Place your arms wider than shoulder width when performing this push-up variation. Notice that only one arm is bending during this exercise. The other arm should have a slightly bend in the elbow but be fairly straight. Number 4. Triangle. Diamond push-ups. How to do it? Begin in a plank position with your hands together and angled inwards at 45 degrees so that your index fingers and thumbs touch to form a triangle or a diamond. Keep your elbows tight to your body and bend them to lower your chest towards the triangle. Reverse the movement to the starting position for 1 repetition. Keep the triangle directly below your chest throughout the movement. Number 5. Wide grip push-ups. How to do it? Start from a normal push-up position but spread your hands wider than shoulder length. This will force your chest to pick up the brunt of your work from your triceps and your shoulders. Push-ups are one of the only exercises with so many variations, and it targets multiple muscle groups such as your chest, shoulders and triceps, and also works your core, back and legs. It also helps in building upper body strength, so don't forget to add push-ups to your workout routine. But do consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is right for you. Do share your thoughts if you're ready to add push-ups in your workout routine, and keep watching this space for more such content.